If you are a curly hair looking for a simple curly hair routine, and if you're just starting to figure out, if you don't know where to start, how to begin, what to do, this is the right video. This is the most simple, most basic thing you'll come across on the internet. Trust me, I've seen every single video on the internet when I was figuring it out. But I myself learned it about 1 year ago, and this is what I've learned, and this is what is working out for me, because my hair went from this to this, and it's been a huge change from people telling me that I need to take care of my curls and my hair doesn't look good, to people asking me for my curl routine. It's been a huge jump within the span of 6 months, and in between that I also moved to Mumbai, which is a very humid place and not very good for your hair. If you're a curly hair, if you're a curly haired girl, girly, whatever, if you're curly that sounds so weird. If you're a curly haired girl and you're looking for a basic, simple way to start your curl journey, this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm also going to give you a coupon code for one of the most popular products. Also, I'm going to give you a quick review of the most popular products that I've been using and what's my personal take on it. So make sure you watch till the end. In case if you have any doubts, anything you want to ask me, you can let me know down in the comments. I would love to answer all your queries down in the comments. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm sharing my curl routine. I think this is the most wanted thing. People keep asking me for my curl routine, for my what I'm doing for my curls, and this is the most basic curl routine you will find out there. It's the most smallest and it's a very small routine and a very basic routine. Just let me give you a quick introduction. If you're new here, hi, I'm Preet. If any of these topics on your screen that you're seeing on your screen right now interest you, if you like watching such content, consider checking out my channel. Just go check it out. If you like it, consider subscribing. That would mean the world to me. Just go check it out, and if you like it, consider subscribing. I have just washed my hair. Honest confession, let's start with that. Until last year, when I was shifting to Mumbai, 1 year ago, I had no idea there was something called a curl routine, or for curly hair you need a specific routine, or I didn't even know I had curly hair, okay, because in India it's more common to have straight hair and you comb it out, and it's I had wavy hair, I thought, and I had a normal, very loose, wavy hair kind of a texture, and I was like, that's normal. Until somebody messaged me on Instagram that they had seen me combing my hair dry, and they were like, I don't think so, you're supposed to comb your hair dry. And I was like, wait, what? Seriously? And I was like, I don't know what this is. And she's like, I think you have really gorgeous hair if you just took care of it. And I was like, oh, there's something like that. I didn't know that. So basically, that's where it started. I have not scripted this. I'm just gonna be brutally honest here with you. I'm hardly editing this video. So I'm just gonna be very brutally honest what I'm doing with my hair right now. This is basically how my hair looks after hair wash. Bad hair wash. I didn't have a very good hair wash today, but anyways, okay. So that's when I started searching for what is a curl hair routine, and I can get it if you are someone who's just starting to look who's just figured out they have curly hair and they're starting a curly hair routine. You are in the right video, because I had no idea and I've basically figured it out, and I think my hair is doing pretty well right now. So I would love to share it all with you. It's a very basic routine, and I'm gonna start before I bore you guys. So let me just start with my hair wash routine. I wash my hair twice a week, sometimes thrice, but mostly twice a week. It has a 4-step way. I go in with a shampoo and a conditioner. Right now I'm using a medicated shampoo. I would recommend you to do the same. Just go to a doormat and just... I am so tanned right now. I was on a vacation and I'm so tanned right now. Anyways, so I went to a doormat. They basically recommended me a shampoo based on my hair problems, and I've been using a medicated shampoo and a medicated conditioner. They are super expensive and normally way more expensive than a normal shampoo and a conditioner, but it makes all the difference, and I would definitely recommend you that, since I've been using a medicated one for 2-3 years now. More than 2-3 years, so I don't know a good shampoo or a conditioner recommendation. But if I have a conditioner that I tried recently that's worked out really well for me, was Ashba Botanics. It's the most fabulous conditioner ever. I have a mini, I have a mini of it. They had sent me in a PR, but I have received all my curling products. That I have every product that I'm showing you on this video, I have received in PR, but there was no need, there's no want for me to recommend it or not. It's just for me to try it, so they had no obligation for me to try it and recommend you or something. They just send me these products to try it, and there's not a compulsion for me to recommend it if I like it or not. So I'm not getting paid for this, okay? I've been doing these things myself, and I'm not getting paid to say these, but I will admit that I have received all these products in PR and I have not paid for it, basically. So I've got free products, but that's all I've got. Like, there's no need for me to give them a positive review or not. So I'm gonna be brutally honest here. Why? Okay, so this conditioner, that is Ashba Botanics, it's a really good conditioner, especially for the step that is next. Is I put on the shampoo once or twice depending on how my hair is dirty, how dirty my hair is. I wash it off, then I put the conditioner, and before I wash the conditioner off, I use this. Use something this is a detangler comb. I got this from Amazon. It's from Vega. I would recommend you please go for this detangler only. There are a lot of detangler combs on Nykaa that are basically useless. I've had really terrible experience with a detangling comb, and this one has been the best. So this is basically a detangling comb that you after you put the conditioner, you comb your hair to remove all the knots. So this is basically for detangling. Please go with this one. Vegas from Amazon. Go with this one only. It's really good, really recommending, especially if you have a very voluminous hair and a very strong hair. So it basically will detangle it. Others just break. A lot of combs have broken for me. So coming towards the next two steps. So now we've shampooed our hair, washed it off, conditioned our hair, detangled and washed it off. Now two steps are remaining, which is basically something that you do not have to wash off. It's basically you just keep it in your hair, so you can just wear a bath coat and just put these products in. Basically I'm gonna show you 3 brands that have sent me, and I've been using that, and I'm going to tell you my favorites, what I like, what I don't. So basically there are 2 steps. One is a leave-in conditioner and one is basically a gel. So let's start with my favorite one, is the Ashba Botanics. Yes, I also have a coupon code. So if you want like a discount on Ashba Botanics products, you will get a discount by using this coupon code. So that is something I worked with the brand to get for you. I really wanted you to use these. These are basically empty right now, both these products. I had like trial packs as well. Those are also empty, as you can see. These are my favorite products as of now, which is basically a leave-in conditioner. So you basically apply it, leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna tell you what I don't like about this and other products also. So the first is leave-in conditioner, which is basically you apply a longer length and you scrunch your hair. So like you just take it and scrunch it, do it like this and just scrunch it up. Very basic. Do it according to what works for you. Like some people it works like sideways, some people work like this. So whatever works for you. For me, it like I put the hair ahead and I just scrunch it up. So I put the leave-in conditioner, I scrunch it up, and then I go in with the gel and I scrunch it up again. This is Curl Defining Gel by Ashba. Okay, so these products, or if you use Fix My Curls, you have 2 products. I have here 2 products from Fix My Curls as well. Really good products. One is similar, it works, okay. One is a leave-in conditioner and then you have to use a gel. There are other words also and other products also that you can use. Like this is a curl quenching hair butter. So instead of a leave-in conditioner, I used butter here, and instead of a gel, I use a seed jelly here. So again, very similar steps, just the name gets different and they have other benefits and all. I'm not gonna go in technicality because I'm no expert here. I'm telling you, I'm no expert here, okay. This is just what I am doing. So this is a butter and this is a jelly. So this is a butter and this is a jelly. Again, really good products. Again, I got a PR from Curl Up as well, which is a curl defining cream. So instead of a leave-in conditioner, here there's a cream, and the other one is a ultra hair defining gel. I'm just gonna give you a quick review of all these 3 products. Ashba, really good, really defined curls, will stay for so long. Really good products, but they are very heavy, okay. Like it takes a long time to do it and they are really heavy on your head. So if you apply it, it's like going to be very heavy. So that is something I do have a problem with the products, and they are expensive as well. Like this one is 1100 and This one is also 1100, so they are expensive, but they go for a long time. So like I've been using this for me and my sister. I've been using this for 4-5 months now, so long time it goes. But they also have a trial pack, so travel pack, which is very less quantity, but if you want to give it a try, you can definitely go for the trial pack, which has like a conditioner, shampoo, leave-in conditioner. I would definitely recommend this. Again, I'm saying this conditioner is the best conditioner I've used. Okay, so this conditioner, Ashbaz, I want to order this, the big pack. I order this myself. This is like completely over right now, but this is the best thing ever. Like for detangling, this conditioner is the best. I've tried Fix My Curls conditioner as well, and this Curls Up conditioner as well, but Ashbaz conditioner is the best thing ever. Okay, it's the best thing ever. Like your hair will detangle automatically. There's no effort required there. So conditioner is the best thing out of the Ashbaz range, but leave-in conditioner and the gel are really good. They stay for a long time, very defined curls, but again they are very heavy. Coming towards Fix My Curls, way lighter, still heavy but way lighter, really cool. There's no heavy smell, so I like that about it. Like I don't like floral smell or another kind of smell in my conditioner. This really defined. This is more on shiny, like this will give you more shine and more less frizz. So definitely that, it gives you a shine, and it's written here moisturize and eliminates frizz. So definitely those two things, they do it. Really good products. Quantity is also very nice. Like this is for 550, this is also for, this is 400, so good pricing as well. Really love the products. Almost as good as Ashba, but I definitely like Ashba a little more, just a little more. But I haven't tried the same products. Okay, so this is a butter and this is a jelly, and that is like a leave-in conditioner and a hair gel. Coming towards this Curls Up, they are very floral fragranted products, so I don't like that. It's very floral. But recently what I've been doing is, instead I just go wash my hair, put a conditioner, and I just go with this gel, Curls Up gel. Amazing gel. Okay, amazing. I just love this gel a lot. So you don't have to, like if you want like a shorter and you are like on a time, like if you just want to do it fast and you want to have good curls, just go with the shampoo, conditioner, and this gel, Curls Up gel. Really good. Like it will give you really good curls, and I just feel this gives you more scrunched up curls. Like if you want like small curls, it will give you this. Heavy curls will give you this. This is a perfect product if you don't want heavy, you don't want I think this is way lighter than Ashba and really good in that it won't give you like a lot of headache. Ashbas can be very heavy since I have long hair, so it can be very heavy on my head. Okay, so now you don't have to wash these products off. You have to leave these two products in your hair, and what I do is I am currently using this head wrap. Just tie this head wrap, which I got from Nykaa. Please buy a good head wrap. This one is from Nykaa only, I think. Yeah, this is Nykaa's and it's really good. Please don't go with any other brand, because we tried some other brand and it wasn't good at all. So this one, microfiber head wrap from Nykaa. It's from the brand Nykaa. It's really good, really effective. The color is also gorgeous. So you just have to wrap your head around this. It just quickens the process of drying, as well as it eliminates frizz. It's really good. It makes all the difference in your hair. So I'm using this head wrap. I keep it for 10-15 minutes, then I open it, and then after it takes me 15-20-30 minutes to dry it, I just air dry it, and then my curls are there for 3 days. I think 2 days they are really good, and then it depends on how you are caring about it. Okay, if you're like going to the beach on the first day, your curls are not going to stay, so you gotta take care of it. You can also, a lot of times, you don't have to wash your hair all over again. You can just wet it and use a leave-in conditioner to detangle your hair and just scrunch up with your hair. So you are just updating your curls. I know people have like a very elaborate routines, but this is the most basic routine that I'm following. Okay, I never wanted a very big routine. I have not tried a lot of things as well, so this is something I've come up after 1 year of trying and experimenting. At night, the most your curls will get loose, the most when you're sleeping. I'm gonna take a break. I'm tired of talking. The most your curls are going to loosen up is when you're sleeping. So at that time, if you can use silk pillows, that would be amazing. Really helps with the hair. Again, the second thing is a pineapple bun, satin silk scrunchie, and just tie up your hair. And use a satin scrunchie or a satin silk scrunchie and tie up your hair in a pineapple bun. That really helps me a lot. I tried a bonnet from Meesho. It keeps your hair intact and your curls intact, but again it is very tight here and it's really uncomfortable to sleep with, so I don't do that. But you can do this. It's like make a pony high up here, which is like a pineapple comes, like a pineapple it'll come. So like keep your hair here and tie a pony here. And I know it'll look weird, okay, it does look weird. my sister just wouldn't stop laughing at how it looks on me, but it keeps my curls intact, especially if I have really long hair, so it's really hard to keep it. Yeah, and then it goes for 3-4 days good, but then you have to update it. Again, something that I've learned recently is there are like 9-10 types of curls and you gotta recognize which one is yours. I am probably 2C or 3A, I don't know. But probably between that. That's basically my hair care routine. That's what I'm doing. I just wanted to come here. If I've forgotten something, I'll put it in text here. I just wanted to come, be honest here, have a real chat about what my hair care routine is. It's not very elaborate, it's not very glamorous, and it's not very perfect. I'm also learning at this point. I'm also growing. It's not even been a year since I realized that there's like something called a curl routine. I didn't know. Yes, another thing, do not brush your hair dry. Please don't do it. If you want good curls, please don't brush your hair dry. Wet your hair and only then will you brush your hair. Please do not use a comb on dry hair. Curly hair, don't use combs on dry hair. Yeah, so that basically covers it up. Am I missing something? I'm thinking of if I'm missing something. I don't think so. I'm missing something. This is my hair care routine. 2 twice a week is more than sufficient. Before going out, you can do it. Overnight, do a pineapple bun or a bonnet works, but really uncomfortable. Scrunchies really help. Don't tie it in a bun, okay? Something that doesn't help is tying it in a bun. But if you're going in the air and you are going in a very windy place, then tying it in a bun will help. But usually don't tie it in a bun and keep it at home because that will ruin your curls. Like if you're just keeping it for the curls, okay, like in your hair you can do okay normal. I also make a lot of buns and keep usually on the 3rd, 4th day if I'm not wash my hair and I'm not going out and I don't want perfect curls. Definitely do my curls look like this always? They don't. 1st, 2nd day, yes, but then 3rd, 4th day I'm too tired and lazy to wash my hair again. So yes, I do not do it every single day. I do it twice a week. As I told you, I wash my hair and I do it. Sometimes I might do it if I'm going out. I might just do the curling and leave-in conditioner. Yep, that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. This is just a real it's not perfect. I'm not saying. If you have any tips, do let me know down in the comments. If I said something wrong or if I'm doing something wrong, do let me know. But I think this is working out for me and it might just help you if you're just starting out with your curl routine. So welcome aboard. If you like this, consider liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, anything and everything. I would love to have a chat with you. Okay, Kohli Gold to Kohli Gold, let's have a chat. I would love to have that. That's all. You know I love you, right?